how to get Blackmagic camera app on Android. In this video, I'll show you how to get Blackmagic camera app on Android. So to get started, go ahead and open your Android device, and then on your Android device, go ahead and open the Google Play Store. So go ahead and head over into the app list and then click on Google Play Store from here. And then on Google Play Store, go ahead and use the search tab. So click on search and then use the search bar and then search for Blackmagic camera. Now, if you don't find it on the results, another way you can use to look for it is to use your browser. So go ahead and open the browser that you have on your Android device and then search for Blackmagic camera app. So use this and search for Blackmagic camera, and then you'll find it on the results. So click on Blackmagic camera on the results, and this will take you into the Google Play Store. Now, as you can see, this app is available only for other devices, which means that if the app is not available for your device, this will not pop on the search results. So make sure and take note that Blackmagic camera is not compatible for all devices. There are a few devices where it's compatible. So make sure to do your research before downloading the app into your device. And that is how you can basically get Blackmagic camera app on Android.